Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your profile after logging out of your Facebook account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account, and to remove your profile you need first to log out. So I'll head over to my account here and then go to log out. Now as you can see, I'm logged out, however my profile is still visible and available. To remove it, head over to the settings gear on your PC, and then you can see we have this option to remove profiles from browser. If you have several accounts, you can choose the one you wish. Because I only have this, I'll just proceed and choose remove. Now proceed and click on remove from this browser. And as you can see, my profile has been removed. So that's how you can remove your Facebook profile once you have logged out. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.